What do the 2023 Ford Bronco dashboard warning and indicator lights signify, providing alerts for vehicle system updates, maintenance reminders, and urgent warnings to ensure safe driving?
Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Front airbag, anti-lock brake system. Brake system. Blind spot monitor, electric park brake. Door ajar, engine coolant temperature. Oil pressure.
Distance indication.
Fasten seatbelt, battery. Hood ajar.
Diesel exhaust fluid.
Low tire pressure warning, low fuel level. Low washer, fluid level, powertrain fault. Stability and traction control. Adaptive cruise control, automatic headlamp, high beam. Auto start stop, high beam. Hill start assist.
Differential lock.
Side marker lamps, turn signal lamps.
Cross traffic, alert indicator. Cruise control. Direction indicator, eco mode, indicator. Efficient drive mode, indicator. Front fog, lamp indicator. Hazard flasher indicator, high beam indicator. Lamps on indicator. Lane keeping aid, indicator. Lane keeping alert, indicator. Malfunction indicator. Lamp, mud or ruts, mode indicator. Ready to drive indicator. Slippery mode indicator. Stability, control, and traction control indicator. Tow haul mode, indicator. Vehicle plugged indicator. Trailer distance to empty, trail turn assist. Wait to start. Four-wheel drive. Tailgate ajar. Pre-collision assist. Stabilizer bar disconnect. Normal mode. Comfort mode. Off-road mode. Sport mode. Baja mode. Quiet mode. Rock crawl mode.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Stay informed on the road with the 2023 Ford Transit's Advanced Instrument Cluster and Warning Indicator Lights. If this guide on lights indicator diagram helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.